Magnetic paddle brake control motor braking experiment. Magnetic paddle brake installation method. The magnetic paddle brake is coaxially connected to the three-phase asynchronous motor through a coupling. Tighten the screws in the two holes on the coupling to secure it. After the coupling is fixed, there are two fixing holes on both sides of the magnetic paddle brake, which are fixed with screws. Tighten with hexagon socket. The other side is also fixed with screws. The three-phase power module L1 is connected to the L1 port of the reversing switch module. The three-phase power module L2 is connected to the reversing switch module L2 port. The three-phase power module L3 is connected to the L3 port of the reversing switch module. The three-phase power supply module L1 is connected to the magnetic paddle brake controller module L1 port. The N-neutral line of the three-phase power supply module is connected to the N-neutral line in the magnetic paddle brake controller module. The three-phase asynchronous motor adopts the triangle connection method, and the W2 port is connected to the U1 port. U2 port connects to V1 port. Connect V2 port to W1 port. The reversing switch module U1 is connected to the three-phase asynchronous motor U1 port. Reversing switch module V1 is connected to the V1 port of the three-phase asynchronous motor. The reversing switch module W1 is connected to the three-phase asynchronous motor W1 port. The positive pole of the magnetic paddle brake controller output is connected to the red terminal of the magnetic paddle brake. The negative pole of the magnetic paddle brake controller output is connected to the black terminal of the magnetic paddle brake. After wiring harness connection is completed, turn on the power. Turn on the magnetic paddle brake controller. The display shows the current. You can click the option on the right to change the displayed value unit. Not the constant voltage. You can also choose constant power. You can switch back and forth between these three gears. Turn on the switch of the reversing switch module to the forward direction, and the motor starts to rotate. At this time, increase the current of the magnetic paddle brake controller. As the current increases, the motor speed will become slower and slower until it stops. After reducing the current, the motor starts running as usual.